few days back, I was reading newspaper and my father was watching TV channel. In that, I found same news that in Turkey there is a very big earthquake. I also saw in news channel that how the buildings are falling and people are getting stuck and as result the people are losing their lives. And scientists are also telling that in India there is a chances to come a very big earthquake. So I thought to make a robot which can go in narrow space and detect the human. So hello everyone, my name is Mrugank and being a IB as a robotics world student, I have made the triple R known as rescue relief robot. In this, I have used one ultrasonic sensor, one LDR sensor and one IR sensor. What is the use of ultrasonic sensor? When the car is going forward and it will send something in 10 to 20 centimeters, the buzzer will burst in within 1 seconds break. When it is under 10 seconds obstacle, then it will burst continuously. What is the use of IR sensor? When our car is going backward, so we cannot see the view of backward because these cameras provide only view of forward. So it may have accident. So when it is going backward and it may have accident, then this IR sensor will sense and make buzzer on. And what is the use of LDR sensor? When there is dark and no lights, so the view of camera will not get clear. So these LEDs will get on and we will get the clear view. Now let's see it practically. From this device I am going to connect my brain. I am going to use the ARCM. From here, the brain will send us Wi-Fi. Here it will send us Wi-Fi. The brain is getting on. It has sent its Wi-Fi and now I have connected. Now let's see its practical. Now when it will go forward, I have to connect again. I have connected. When I will move forward, here we can see the all things. As I told you, when it will set all things. When I will move my car forward, and as I told you, it is in 10 to 20 centimeters, the buzzer will burst. Now it is buzzing. Like this way it works. And when I told you when it's come back, then now it is going forward and when it sends the buzzer is buzzing. When it will come back and send something, then this buzzer is buzzing. Now what about it? Now I will show you reality. From here I will pass my robot. From here I am going to pass my robot, and as you all can see, here the LEDs are glowing because here it is dark. Like this way, I have made my robot. It is not only used for rescue after earthquake, it is also used for coal mines where the gas, when the gas is leaked. It can go in narrow spaces where the humans cannot go. Like this way, I have made my triple R. Thank you.